guys, this is Khalandar Sha. I'm 29 years old. I'm from Goa, India. I love you. I love making YouTube videos, and I like to share my travels. Like to share my thoughts, movie reviews. I love gadgets. I love playing video games. I work in the aviation industry. Before this, I was a full-time professional DJ, but then due to some personal reasons, I let go of my passion. What do I do all day? I go to work. In my free time, I like to make videos. I like to travel. When I travel, I like to shoot stuff and share it with you guys. I've already posted some travel videos on my channel. If you like them, please do subscribe to my channel. This is my first vlog on this channel. I love watching football. Premier League, La Liga, Champions League. I also love watching a lot of movies. So guys, if you like my videos, if you are interested in my channel, please do like and share my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also please press the bell button below.